What's poppin', y'all? This is Rocco the Retro Repairman coming at you with another video. I bought this unit for parts and repair. The previous owner, let me just turn it off. You can see it's nice and has no hum, but so you can hear me. I bought it with a hum to it. The guy did a complete cap replacement and did a pretty decent job, and to no avail. He says there's this like ground buzz going on, and I said, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I'll buy it off you. And he had everything, the spacer, the whole 9 yards. So I bought this 10 months ago. Finally got around to messing with it and replaced the inductor coil, courtesy of Console 5. Wouldn't go anywhere else for my immediate needs. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Luke, from Console 5, for making it happen. Just get yourself one of these inductor coils, and actually I printed it out for you guys because you can easily screw it up even though there's only 2 solder points, I believe. Don't quote me. So the solder points are vertical, like here and here, and there's like 2 spots here and 3 here, and then there's a miscellaneous spot on either this side or this side. So if you don't carefully pay attention to their little guide, if you didn't know what you're doing, it tells you basically go for out of the 3rd hole, do the middle hole, and then you're going to do the farthest hole, which is closest to, and I'll point to the component so you know. It looks like a transistor of some sort. So that's what you do. And, in theory, you've replaced that. Should fix the issue. Now there's another area that is known to be a troublesome area. If that occurs, send me a message. Thanks for watching.